Hey guys, Scott here. I've been sent some SCRUBB's cabin cockpit cleaner. Trying to see how it does. Now, I want to make sure it gets a bit of a challenge, so I decided to try it on this dirtiest of all things, the wife's car. As you can see, it's not an old car, by the way. You can see all the dirty marks all along this car. So we're going to give it a wee try and see how it does. So we'll try it here first and give it a wee spray. Let's see how it brings things up. As you can see straight away, just took away an awful lot of the dirt there. That is cleaning that there quite well, where I've actually cleaned it properly. So it does work quite well in that. So we'll try it in what I'm assuming here is raindrops, watermarks. So my wife probably makeup. I don't think she's had this car now about 5 years. I don't think she's ever actually cleaned it. I actually think it's changing colour. As you can see, I mean, it's changed that there quite dramatically straight away. And so this is a very, very dirty car. This is not like just a wee bit of dirt. This car is absolutely stinking. There we go. So it made a hell of a difference straight away. Unfortunately, I have to clean the rest of this dirty thing. But SCRUBB cabin cockpit cleaner does a good job. Give it a go.